Hello everyone. Today I'm here with something very different from my usual works, which is pixel art. I never really thought I will get into it, but here I am, really loving everything about it. So, the thing is, I have recently started working on game arts, and right now I'm exploring the pixel art side. That's why I tried to figure out how to do it on Ibispaint. I did not just want to make game element but also wanted to make a proper landscape, and what's better than the dreamy iconic Ghibli style. I have always loved the magical worlds of Ghibli. There's something so peaceful about their landscapes. And today I'm going to try to capture that feeling pixel by pixel. If you are new to pixel art, the first thing you need to know is the size of the canvas. Taking smaller canvas is always better. It should be at least 8 to 10 times smaller than the usual canvas you use. Mine was 320 by 180. Don't worry about the quality, just increase the canvas size before exporting. Now, let's talk about the process. Ibispaint makes it really easy to get started. The grid tool is super helpful for drawing pixels in a limited space. It gives you that blocky retro look that we all know and love. Next up, it's all about the color. Ghibli landscapes are known for their soft pastel tones, so that's what I was going for here. With this art style, you have got to think simple, but that doesn't mean it has to be boring. It's all about adding shadow and highlights like the usual drawing, but in a limited canvas. So you probably have to think a bit more before you decide to add any brush stroke. Because a single pixel has the power to determine how your art is going to look. It can make or break the art, so you have to be careful about what you want to do. But that doesn't mean it's intimidating. It's actually pretty simple if you have a clear image in your head. I would definitely recommend looking for experienced pixel artists and their works to get inspired and get idea how to get started. For this artwork, I looked into Pinterest for photography references that matched the Ghibli aesthetic. For example, a few fluffy clouds, a river or a pond, and of course, some lush greenery is mandatory. It's actually amazing how much detail you can pack into such small spaces when you get the hang of it. Some might find it difficult or some might find it easy. Personally, I really enjoyed the limitations and controlled strokes, especially when I painted the house. It was challenging, but at the same time, it was relaxing because most of the time, my process is just pure chaos. I felt like I needed this control over it. So it's safe to say that I'm obsessing over this and can't wait to see what I can create with this style in the future. Also, I'm thinking of making a detailed tutorial on how to make pixel art on Ibispaint. But I definitely need more time to explore this style. For now, please enjoy the rest of this process, and as always, don't forget to let me know if you have any feedback or questions about it. Alright, after some fine tuning and lots of little tweaks, here's the final result. I am honestly surprised and delighted at how much fun this was. Whether you're a newbie or a pro, trying out pixel art is definitely worth a go. Plus, if you are as much of a Ghibli fan as I am, it's the perfect way to chill out and get creative. Drop a comment if you have any tips regarding pixel art, or let me know what I should try next. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care.